You could be surprised by Samsung's next Ultra, and not in the way you anticipated. All indications point to the Galaxy S26 Ultra not receiving a significant camera hardware update at this time. On paper, it appears to be much the same as the configuration from the previous year, which initially sounds disappointing. This is the interesting part, though. Ice Universe on Weibo claims that Samsung is discreetly resolving actual camera issues that customers genuinely voice concerns about, and that better lens coating will soon be available to reduce excessive flare. This results in sharper images in direct sunshine and less unsightly light streaks that detract from nighttime photography. As fans have long noted, Samsung is reportedly adjusting its image processing to lessen the appearance of yellowish skin tones. It may not be ostentatious, but it might give pictures a far more organic sense. This time, a postponed launch is also being discussed. The Galaxy S26 series may be launched in late February rather than the customary January announcement, with phones going on sale sometime in March. No extravagant redesigns or huge renovations, simply subtle adjustments that might have an impact. Recently, new photos and a brief video of what appear to be mock-ups of the Galaxy S26 and Galaxy S26 Ultra have appeared online, and they are already generating a lot of interest. The leak, which was provided by reliable source Steve H. Maffley, also known as On Leaks, immediately alters our perception of Samsung's upcoming flagship move. The reintroduction of the camera island appears to be the biggest shock. Samsung is obviously changing course after 3 generations of incredibly clean backs with lenses directly on the panel. The back now has a less minimalist, more deliberate, and structural appearance. Samsung seems to want the camera to be seen rather than concealed. This is where the twist lies. Additionally, the Galaxy S26 Ultra introduces a subtle yet significant design change. Its corners now resemble the base model's rounded design, which unifies and polishes the entire portfolio. Also, the bezels appear thinner. However, it is still difficult to lock down that information while the display is off. I'm still not impressed. Beneath the surface, there is more. Rumor has it that the Ultra will be a little bit wider and a little bit taller, lighter, and thinner than the previous model. Both the normal camera and the 5x telephoto are anticipated to have larger apertures, but the megapixel count remains unchanged. The more obvious camera bump this time around is probably due to that minor improvement combined with a slimmer shell. The key question is whether supporters will embrace these adjustments. Given that the Galaxy S26 Ultra maintains the same basic visual identity as the S25 Ultra, the upgrades feel more sophisticated than revolutionary. In comparison to the Galaxy S25, the basic Galaxy S26 is anticipated to have a somewhat chunkier body and a larger 6.3-inch display. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.